this is it. Let's check it out. I got the keys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so excited to be doing this episode because today I'm gonna take you on a tour of my new condo. So let's check it out. And here we go. Okay, close the door. Let's turn on the lights. Okay, so coming in, let's check this out first. This is the washer and dryer. Okay, and the appliances are brand new, so it's not been used yet by the previous owner. Okay, this is the washer down here. It's the washer. Okay, it's got like a touch sensor. Nice, pretty basic. So the brand Whirlpool, by the way, is not the greatest brand from what I heard, but I think it's gonna serve us for the next few years, and then when it breaks, we're just gonna get a new and better washing machine. And by the way, I find it quite interesting that in North America and Canada and in the States, most condos actually come with appliances. So in other words, if you buy a condo here in Canada, they are practically ready to move in. And over here, we got a lot of storage space. So as you can see, it's quite deep here, so you can hang all jackets and put shoes there. Okay, let me take my shoes off first. Okay, let's look at the kitchen. So the kitchen is also brand new, and yeah, we've got everything that we need. There's a microwave, and there's the cooker, and the appliances are all Whirlpool here by default, and we have an oven. The oven is a bit small, but I think it's okay. It's enough to maybe bake a chicken and maybe bake some cookies. So quite nice. And okay, there's a lot of storage space here. That's what I like. There's storage space here and also a lot here. And it has this soft closing mechanism. Nice, I like that. I'm not too crazy about the color of the kitchen cabinets, to be honest, but I really love the granite. I love the granite countertop and also the backsplash. I thought that was really, really well done. Okay, and here's a dishwasher. Tiny dishwasher, but anyway, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna wash most of the things by hand, but once in a while, we can use this. And yeah. And up here again, a lot of storage space. Not really crazy about this color, but maybe later on we can do something about that. Fridge is also quite spacious. That's what I like, and it has some room here for wine bottles. But right now we just got a bottle of water here, and quite a spacious freezer too. At least enough for the two of us. Yeah, so let's look at the room. So this is the room. Okay guys, just in case you're new here to my house hunting series under 500k in the GTA, then you might be wondering what kind of unit this is. So this is actually a studio apartment. It's just a bit above 400 square feet or almost 40 square meters. It's not too huge. It's just one large space, but it's enough for two people, and you can actually divide this into like a living room and a bedroom, but we decided to just leave it this way. We're used to the studio life, having everything in one room just gives us a lot of flexibility. So we might have the bed over there, and then a desk over here, and then my desk over here. And as you can see, we have two really huge windows, so that's why it's super bright. That's what I really love here. I have to tell you guys, it was quite a journey to finally buy this condo. And one of the really important things in securing our mortgage to buy this home was to have a really great credit score and credit history. And as an immigrant to Canada, I know exactly what newcomers face. Most banks would need your credit history to give you credit or a credit card in the first place, which you don't have, because for that you would need to have a credit product, which is kind of a chicken and egg situation, right? But there's an easy way that you can quickly start building up that credit by using a
a secured credit card. And I just found out that NEO offers secured cards that can help you build your credit. NEO is a Canadian financial institution that is 100% digital, which means that you can do all your banking online. And they have this great product, the NEO Secured Credit Card. It basically functions like a normal credit card. The difference is that approval is guaranteed. NEO doesn't require a credit check, so it doesn't matter if you don't have prior credit history here in Canada. You do need to be a Canadian resident though. Your credit limit is simply based on what's called your secured funds, like a guarantee. If, for example, you set aside $500 with them as your security funds, then your limit will be $500. But what about fees? Nope, there are no monthly or annual fees. And you know what? NEO will even give you a $25 sign-up bonus if you sign up for NEO's secured credit card using my affiliate link. If you think this is for you and you want to sign up for NEO's secured card, then you can find my affiliate link in the descriptions below.
And now let's check out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's quite basic. So we have the shower over here. Shower. Good water pressure, and the toilet over here. Here. So everything's quite small here. And the only thing that I will miss is not having a bathtub, because in our previous apartment we used to have a bathtub. On the other hand, there's a swimming pool in this building, so that kind of compensates for it. So over here we have some storage room, a closet. So not too much space, I would say, especially for the two of us. So we might want to have another closet or at least a drawer in the room for just some smaller stuff. But yeah, I like how everything's arranged.
But the other plan was to just fit in all of our clothing, so my clothing and my husband's clothing, into this one closet. So let's see if that can work out or not.
So let's give a back view. This is the reverse view to the kitchen, so it's just really one long room. Yeah, and we're gonna move in soon here. There's a lot to do. We need to pack up our stuff in our old place. We're gonna get moving in about 2 weeks, and after we move, I'll provide you another update and I'll show you how everything looks. But so far, I'm super happy. Everything has worked out so well, and finally we got our first home in Toronto in the GTA for under $500,000, and I really hope that you guys will all be able to also do it one day, or perhaps some of you already did. But for those of you who have not bought a house in Toronto yet, do not give up, keep on searching, and one day you will also own your own place.
Yeah, so that's also one really important thing I learned in this process. In the beginning, like 2 years ago, I would never have thought that it would be possible to get a condo of this quality at this location we're at for under $500,000. But as soon as we started the process and really started searching, and we're also willing to make a lot of compromises, because this condo perhaps checked off 8 items out of 10 items that we would ideally love to have in a condo, in a home. But obviously you cannot have everything, especially at a price as low as this. So guys, some of you have a really detailed eye. Might have noticed that for the last few weeks, I've been recording my videos at the new condo. But so far, I haven't shown you much of it. Now you have an idea of what the condo looks like empty, but in the following weeks, I will share more with you. I will share how we set up our new condo, how we placed our furniture and everything. So stay tuned for those videos.
So until then, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.